Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the unit and verifying water and ventilation. This prevents immediate faults. Once done, sort materials into the machine's accepted categories so sensors read correctly and jams are unlikely. Next, select the correct program for the material profile and load size. This determines temperature, pressure, and cycle duration. Make sure to set any optional parameters like rinsing intensity or compaction level, so the process runs efficiently and yields consistent recycled output. Once the cycle starts, feed materials steadily and avoid sudden overfills because that causes jams and sensor errors. Meanwhile, watch the control panel. Temperature, pressure, flow, and contamination indicators tell you how the process is progressing and why the machine may slow. If alarms show blockage or contamination, pause and adjust the feed rate or switch to a cleaning subcycle to protect motors and filters. Make sure to use gentle corrective actions so you clear problems without creating secondary. When the cycle ends, run the programmed rinse or compaction if available, then allow the machine to cool before opening access points. This prevents injury and preserves seals. You should unload outputs into labeled bins and inspect for contamination so material quality stays high and you learn why faults occurred. If a jam or persistent sensor error remains, stop, engage lockout-tagout, and perform a controlled manual clear following the manual. This fixes root causes safely and helps avoid repeat failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.